What's up guys, this is D'Artagnan, and guys, today we're going to be talking about my progress on Etsy just after 1 week. Yes, that's right, 1 week, because usually I see videos about the progress after a month. So I said, you know what, let me do a week by week play so people can see just how Etsy works, just how the progress that you can make on there depending on your Etsy shop. So hey, let's go take a look at my shop. Alright guys, so here we are. This is not my Etsy shop, but I'm here on Etsy, and guys, we're gonna go ahead and check out my progress. Mind you, I only been on Etsy for 1 week, you know, and I put my own product. As you can see, I got one of my shirts on right now. These are not popular on Etsy or popular in the market, but this is part of my brand that I'm trying to put out there. And as you can see, this is not today, so let's do last 7 days, which only been on here for a week. So guys, as you can see, the total views that I've gotten is 176 views, which means Etsy is getting it out there. It's getting it out there. And I have 122 visits, so that's how many people have viewed my shop after just a week. And of course, I got one order. Not gonna lie, my sister bought a shirt. Okay, so hey, shout out to my sister for buying the shirts. Shout out to my sister. But as you can see, the traffic is there, and that's just for being on there for a week. And to some people, this might not be enough, but I think this is pretty good numbers. This is pretty good numbers. And let's see, yesterday 18, 16, so it tallies up. I think I average about maybe 20 to 30 visits or views a day, which is not bad for me just doing my own brand, nothing popular. But for me, I start thinking sometimes you gotta go ahead and do what's popular so it can bring traffic so you can sell those type of shirts that you really want to sell, right, on Etsy. So, and for today, mind you, right now it's like 5 o'clock in the morning here. So, and I already got 4 views, 2 visits. So I don't know how it's gonna be for the rest of the day, but as y'all can see, I only sell my merch so far. But I'm not on Etsy. I had bought some new different designs and stuff that may be popular that I can possibly sell, and see if people, sometimes you just gotta adapt and see what people like on here. And that's what I've been researching, been looking at. Sometimes you just gotta find the things that people really like on here in order to sell and really make a profit off of it. Because me selling my own, you gotta use certain keywords and all that stuff, which I've been learning to do, and maybe I can show y'all in another video what you gotta do to put in, like, for the keywords and different things like that, because I've been learning. I want to get that to you guys also. But like I said, guys, just in a week of me starting my Etsy, this is what I got, which isn't bad, but of course, as time goes on, those certain keywords are gonna draw traffic to your site. So this is what you want to do. Go on Etsy itself and find some different design that you can just download, that you'll be able to download the design and then just use that to design your shirts. Use something that's popular, that's common, different things and themes. Like right now, we're in September. What's in September? What goes on in September? I think it's Suicide Awareness Month. So you want to do something to adapt to that people might like, a certain design about suicidal that people might like. You know, you might want to just put the suicide hotline number on a shirt, and you know, for people to buy, because that's what's going on now. We're in fall is coming, so different fall designs. So that's what you want to do in order to help your shop, because guys, it's plenty of room at the top for everybody. Like, entrepreneurship can be hard, super hard, especially when you're stressing yourself out because we don't see the progress that we want to see or that people are saying they got. Like, everybody's journey is different, so that's what you got to remember. Everybody's journey is different, and it's not going to be the same for everybody. But this is my week progress. Somebody else might have had more than this in a week's progress, but this is mine. But look, even if you don't see the certain results that you've seen somebody else have, you got to keep going. Because how can you get there if you stop? So that's what you gotta remember. You can't get there if you stop going. So, hey, my progress has shown, and I'm satisfied because I don't even think I know 176 people. You know, so it's a good thing to keep going. It's a good thing to just see what happens next, guys. And I'm gonna update y'all on both this week 1, week 2, week 3. So we're just gonna see. So next Monday, y'all expect another video, Etsy shop update, so we can see. My goal is to get at least 5 orders, so 4 more orders till next week. So we're gonna see, but definitely gonna have to add more things to my shop. But guys, it's a process. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Like I was saying, guys, entrepreneurship, it can be hard, it can be tough, but you gotta choose the hard that you want, because no matter what business that you do, what business that you're going in, it's gonna be tough. So you just gotta choose your hard. I was listening to a speaker say the other day, he said, being on the road of success is hard, and not being successful is hard. But being on the road of success, there's upside to it. But when you're not successful, when you're on that road, there's no upside. You just gotta deal with and get what life gives you. But why not be on that road to success and have some upside come in your life? So it can be hard, but you got this. Hey, you gotta see the progress every day. Like I just showed y'all, 170 plus in a week, and I'm only selling my own style. And I promote it, but Etsy drawing some traffic and my own drawing some traffic, but I got one sale in a week. Hey, and I was happy for that sale. I was happy. But it just goes to show that Etsy is getting your stuff out there. Once you get your stuff out there, so you just gotta promote yourself. Etsy gonna do its part, and you just gotta keep going no matter what results you get in that first week, that first month, that first year. I promise, once you keep going, you're gonna see the results. So guys, that's all I have for this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hey, this is just to motivate you to keep going, because it can be a struggle at first. Like, people don't talk, it's hard being an entrepreneur, but it's possible. So that's all I have for this video. Like I said, give it a thumbs up. Hey, send me something in the comments, but if you have any questions or anything for me, hit me up in the comments. And guys, that's all I have. Subscribe to the channel, and y'all be blessed. Be the best. Be you. I'm out.